Hey there, my friend. Let me share a killer psychology trick with you today. Some people have used this to find the love of their life and finally get out of the single zone. Others have used it to win over big clients and make a ton of money. First, I want you to do a quick test with me. I'll ask you a few things, and you don't have to answer out loud. Just think about it in your head. If you get this test, congrats, you've basically learned 90% of this trick. First, right now, whatever you do, don't think about what color a banana is. Second, now, whatever you do, don't picture what a tiger looks like. Third, and whatever you do, don't imagine what a lemon tastes like. Go ahead, pause the video if you need to. Okay, done. Did you notice something? The more I told you not to think about something, the harder it was to not see it in your mind. That, my friend, is the essence of a mind trick called psychological suggestion. Or you can just call it a mental hack. When you say a word, that word instantly triggers a picture in the other person's mind. And the qualities related to that word pop up automatically, too. Let's say you want to date a girl and make her your girlfriend. Whatever you do, don't just say, "Be my girlfriend." Instead, casually drop it into conversation, like, "You're so adorable. Good thing I'm not your boyfriend." Or "I'd get nothing done all day just staring at you." Or, "You love food so much. Whoever ends up being your boyfriend better be a foodie, too." See what's happening? When you keep slipping the word boyfriend into your chats, her brain can't help but link that word with you. Same trick works in other situations. If you're not that good looking, never say, "I'm so ugly." Say, "I'm not exactly handsome." If you're broke, don't say, "I'm poor." Say, "I'm working hard to make money." If you're a bit overweight, don't say, "I'm too fat." Say, "I'm working on getting leaner." Each version feels completely different to the listener. Here's another example. If you're selling something, don't just rattle off the ingredients or specs. Use words that paint a picture in their mind. Like, "Put on this face mask, and your skin will be as juicy and fresh as a lychee." Instantly, your brain pops up an image of a juicy lychee, right? Or, "Put on these headphones, and you'll feel like you're right there at a live concert." Key takeaway. How you say something doesn't matter nearly as much as what image your words put in the other person's head. Alright, now, whatever you do, don't think about how taking my Lucid Path online course could help you make easy money and live life on your own terms. Don't think about it. Seriously. Don't. See you in the next one.